Welcome to Bayfield Training's Excel Tips videos. On today's video, we will explain how to import data from a PDF using Power Query. This table is on page 5 of the Real Estate Strategies 2018 PDF report. I asked my team to import this data into an Excel spreadsheet, and I saw them copying and pasting data like this. So, I demonstrated them an effective way of importing data using Power Query. Power Query is a tool used to import, clean, and shape data in Excel. Open an Excel blank sheet. On the Excel ribbon, go to Data tab, Get Data, and from the File tab, choose from PDF. Then select the PDF file. Click Open. Choose page 5 from the report and click Load. And voila! The data is imported and formatted in seconds. Happy learning! Follow us on our social media platforms to learn more about our Excel tips. And for more information about our executive education courses, visit our website www.bayfieldtraining.com.